This camera seems like it's so far away. Oh, I don't think I have a better setup though. Let me try something. Be right back. My recording setup is hilarious. And, my voice is, well, it's the after effects of a very long fight with bronchitis. I don't know if anyone's noticed, but I've been away for a while, and that'd be why. I don't know, I just sound like I'm out of breath. Come on, push. I'm gonna do an unboxing video. Yay. Here's some cool nerdy stuff with Will. I get all of my stuff shipped to me at work because deliveries often happen during the day when I'm at work. I'm not at home. I don't want stuff just left outside my apartment door for anybody to, pick up and walk off with, especially when you're talking about the geeky stuff that I spend money on. So I get it delivered to me at work, and this box comes all the way from Croatia, which is super cool. Trying to explain that to your buddies at work. Dude, why'd you get a box from Croatia? Oh, it's contraband, some isotope 7 nonsense. I don't know. But yeah, no, what this actually is a set of splinted legs made from made from tempered spring. I'm really excited, and my voice is gone, so apologies all around. Anyway, let's dive into this because I'm going nuts. Since this is my channel and I'm all about geeky things and also medieval things, we don't just unbox with scissors. That's goofy. No, we unbox with a frickin' sword because we can. Yes. Alright, Fox. You shall reveal to me your contents. This is actually... Don't try this at home, kids. I do it so you don't have to. You can just watch somebody flail about as they try to unpackage. There's that, alright. Now, for the middle. Oh, this is super packed. I don't know if you can see this, but that's not taped down the center like you would think. It's the flaps overlap. So we're stabbing this and cranking to either side. Yeah. Get it. Huh. Huh. Oh no, the packing slip is being problematic. Huh. Oh, there it is. Come on. Alright. The sword is mightier than the box. Open, damn you. Come on. People are watching. Naturally, because people are watching, this is going so very slowly. Come on. Yes, yes. Packing slip is out of the way. Dear God. It's like they were shipping it from Croatia or something. Alright. Finally. Box defeated. Put this away now. Don't worry, I'm gonna clean it after this. It's fine. It's a very old sword too, by the way. Oh, here we go. You know, it's from another country when there are receipts for something for a banana. $8.81? This guy bought a banana and a Snickers bar, and the total came out to $13.80. I don't know what the exchange rate is, but jeez. Can you imagine paying $13.80 for a banana and a Snickers bar? Ooh, I like that. I like all of this so far. Wonderful bags from somewhere. Look at it. We're exploring the world, kids. Exploring the world. Oh, guy shops at Sports Direct. Cool. I don't know why I'm saying oof. This is spring steel. There's like nothing to it. Oh, this is so cool. So cool. Alright, get rid of the garbage. Rid of the garbage. These are some nice thick leather straps on here too. That's real good because, well, it's armor. And the thing that breaks on armor the most is the leather. Like, always replacing straps on my gear. Oh, this is entirely too awesome. Check that out. Look at those plates on the inside. All that overlapping protection. I swear, my legs aren't going to know what's going on. I don't think they've ever been this well protected before. Whew. Well, that's a thing. They are a bit on the small side. Oh man, that's never happened to me before. I have not been skipping leg day. I don't know if you can see this, but I cannot get that top strap strapped. I'm just wearing jeans, and I guess I'm wearing a pair of thermals underneath these. I do like the handy attachment points they've done here and up top, so I can sew this, or rather sew some attachment points onto my padded chausses that I wear under these. You know, I think it's still gonna work, because honestly, of course I'm saying this now, and everybody that I fight against is going to specifically target my inner thigh. Honestly, I don't get hit there very often. That is not an invitation for everybody I know to now try to hit me on the inner thigh. But we'll see. The main thing is outside, and especially shield side leg. I don't know why, but seem to catch more than a few right there. Well, these are really well constructed. The thing about these is I ordered them from a guy. I was on one of the Facebook garage sale sites, specifically for guys who do armored combat, ACL or SCA, and dude was piecing off his kit, and I've been meaning to get some of these, especially the spring steel splinted cuisses forever and ever. And So, dude made a post in the garage sale page, and honestly, not gonna find them cheaper ever. If I went custom made, we're talking, you know, $400 to $500 probably. These were half that, because they were already made, and I was buying them used. Now that said, buying them used, there's not a dent on these and no real signs of wear or tear, like, at all. For all intents and purposes, this thing looks like it's brand new. So, yeah. I mean, I guess that's just the cost of buying armor that was made for somebody else. Now, I did take a bunch of measurements. They do all their measurements in centimeters because they're, you know, more advanced than the U.S. But they were roughly accurate to my leg as I was sitting, and I snatched them up as quick as I could because I knew at the price that they were posted for, they would not last very long. The good news is I can extend a strap. That's not a problem at all. I've got plenty of leather, just as thick. I can make new straps for these. No biggie. Further, if for whatever reason it turns out that, man, these are just way too small and they're not going to work at all, you know, I'll try them out for a few practices, maybe an event or two. But the good news is with armor, tends to retain its value as long as it's not all beat to hell. So if they don't work out at all, I can find a smaller guy and sell these for roughly the same price that I bought them for. I am super excited though, and I'll get them all put together, and maybe next fight practice or something, we'll do a video to see how these guys end up working for me. But I'm super excited. Thanks for watching this unboxing video, and yeah. Woo! Finally here. Late birthday present to me. I've been Will. This has been Unboxing with Will. Probably won't start a whole new playlist for this. It'll just be on the channel. Anyway, you be excellent to each other, and we'll see you later. Bye.